student. We are learning this chapter, force, work and energy. Okay, we have learned about force. Pushes and pulls are called force. Then we have learned what is the effect of force, different kinds of force. For example, gravitational force, muscular force, electrical force, magnetic force, etc. Then we have learned about work. What is how work can be done. Work are said to be done only when the force applied on it can change the position of an object. Then we have learned about the energy. The ability to do for doing the work is known as, or the capacity to do the work is known as energy. Okay, energy is the capacity to do the work. Then we have learned about different energies also. Light energy, heat energy, then conventional energy, like that, renewable energy, non-renewable energy, fossil fuel, many things we have learned. Today we are going to learn about the conversion of energy and then about the machines. Okay, so children, this is the fact that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, you understand? Means we can't able to create the energy and we can't able to destroy the energy. Don't think that I have created this electricity, this electrical energy I have created. No, you have not created. Okay, or I have destroyed this energy. We are not destroying also. Okay, so energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Only it is changing from one form to another form. Only we are changing the energy from one form to another form. We are not creating, we are not destroying. Okay, for example, in the bulb you can see the bulb is glowing. You have seen the bulb now? It is glowing. How this bulb is running? Due to electrical energy, some wire is there. Okay, there is one switch over there. As we will switch it on, this bulb will grow. Due to electricity will flow. Due to electricity, this bulb is glowing. But here you can see this electrical energy is converting into a light energy. It is converting into another energy now. It is converting into a light energy. And sometimes when you will touch this bulb, it will be heated also. After some time, the bulb become hot. Why it is becoming hot? Because this light energy is converting into again heat energy. So here electrical energy is converted into light energy and heat energy. Okay. The next example is iron. You can see we are pressing now. You are pressing or not? We are using iron now for pressing or anything. We are using iron. Okay. This iron is also running by the electricity. As we will switch on the point, it will start, okay, running. And what happened in this iron? This is heated. So here electrical energy is converting into heat energy. Then you have seen the dry cell, children. Dry cell you have seen now. We are using it, this dry cell, in a torch also. And sometimes we are using this dry cell in inverter and battery. Okay, that is wet cell only. But dry cell we are using in this torch or in the watch. So here also we are converting in the dry cell there is a chemical energy. And here we are converting this chemical energy in a different form of energy as which is suitable for us. We are using dry cell for many different purposes. So here we are converting this chemical energy to a different form of energy which is suited to us. So there are various examples where we are converting the energy from one form to another form. Like that room heater also, we are converting this electrical energy to heat energy. We are converting now. So there are various forms, okay, various examples. Now next comes to the machine. What is machine? Machine is the things that make our work easier. We want our work easy to be done now. So what help? Machine is helping. So machine can be of two types: simple machine and complex machine. Okay. In the next class, you will learn in detail about the machines. Okay. Here only we are learning little. Okay. Only some points I will mention over here. So we can divide the machine as a simple machine and complex machine. What is machine? The things that make our work easier. Okay. Which make our work easy is known as machine. So what is helping you to do your work easier? Like that washing machine, mixer grinder, these are helping now. Okay, car is also helping you from moving from one place to another place. Okay, so these machines are complex machine because many things is over there. Okay, these are the complex machine. Then in our daily life we are using that knife also for cutting the. Otherwise it is difficult to cut vegetable now by the hand. With this tool only we are cutting now. By the knife only we are cutting the vegetables and fruits nicely. By the scissor we are cutting the papers and make the clothes and many things. So these are also helping making our work easy. So this is also machine, but these are the simple machine. Okay. So example of complex machine we can write. You can also write many examples. Car is there. Mixer is there, mixer grinder is there, okay. Then refrigerator is there, etc. Many you can also write. And the simple machine is scissor, knife, okay, stapler. So etc. These are the simple machine. So children, what we have learned? We have learned today conversion of energy, means the energy cannot be created and means the energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, only we are changing it from one form to another form. And by the some example we have understand also how we are converting electrical energy to light energy and heat energy. Then we have learned about the machines. Machine is of two types, simple machine and complex machine. The example of simple machine is scissor, knife and stapler. Example of complex machine is car, mixer, grinder, refrigerator, etc. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.